How to make a super cheesy hamburger helper my way. Cheese and more cheese. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Let's go. Using a pot on high heat, add 2 to 3 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Carefully add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, followed by the uncooked pasta. Stir the pasta to prevent it from sticking. Cook the pasta for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, drain the pasta and return it back to the pot. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and stir and set the pasta to the side. The pasta will be fully cooked once it's added to the rest of the ingredients. Using a skillet on medium-high heat, add the olive oil, followed by the ground beef. While the meat is cooking, begin to chop the meat into smaller pieces. Cook and brown the ground beef until there are no more signs of pink or red meat. Carefully drain all of the excess oil from the cooked ground beef and return the ground beef back to the skillet. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of the garlic powder, the onion powder, the Worcestershire sauce, the black pepper, your favorite seasoning salt, and the olive oil. Stir and mix all of the seasonings well into the ground beef until well combined. Turn the heat down to medium-low. Then add the pasta to the top of the ground beef. Stir the pasta into the cooked ground beef until they are well combined. Add the cheese seasoning that was in the box of the Hamburger Helper to the top of the macaroni and ground beef. Add a layer of the white Queso shredded cheese to the top of the macaroni and ground beef mixture. Now completely cover the white Queso cheese with the yellow cheddar cheese. Now add 2 cups of milk to the ground beef, macaroni, and cheese mixture. Stir all of the ingredients until well combined. Make sure all of the cheeses have melted and are blended well into the macaroni and ground beef mixture. Add the last of the milk for extra creaminess and stir well. Add the final layer of the shredded yellow cheddar cheese to the top of the Hamburger Helper mixture. Sprinkle with black pepper, dried parsley flakes, which is purely optional. Put a top on the skillet. Turn the heat down to low and cook for 10 or 15 minutes or until the cheese on top has melted. And here you have it, a beginner-friendly, super cheesy Hamburger Helper my way. Seasoned ground beef, pasta, and cheeses all in one skillet. This before payday meal can definitely feed 4 to 6 people. You know what time it is. Give this recipe a try and stop playing. This is DeSHANTA B. Thank you guys so much for watching. You are so greatly appreciated. The beats bumping this video is called Late Nights by music producer CAUSMIC, available at the YouTube free music audio library. You know what time it is. Subscribe, share, and thumbs up this video and stop playing. And until next time, bye guys.